know what is a warrior. Because the family don't complain to me, everybody don't complain to me. So now small pieces of advice, wow, I will give. Some of your friends they say, hey, see you, Shakara. Shakara, now you the reason why Capella they give, say make it never marry. Shakara, come on for road, make the guy marry. I don't want to shove the winch together. The young man has done very well. He don't make money. I don't know what else the whole up. I don't like to give people advice. But you see, when you're close to me, I don't get choice. On my own. My friend wife showed for my house. Okay, you need to talk to your friend. You need to talk to your friend. I don't like the way he's carrying you. The way when they behave, I don't want to behave. First of all, I distance myself. Because when women carry problem come, you don't know where they go. Before you know it, touch all of them. I said, madam, I don't know, we are not like the same people. He's my friend, I've known him from school, but we are not the same kind of people. Because I don't know where the matter they go. He said, talk to him. Anytime I open my husband's phone, anytime I look at my husband's phone, tears they come up from my eye. I said, madam, don't they look man's phone now? My phone be like onions. The more you look at tears will come up my eye. He said, you see, you're all the same kind of people. Look at what you're saying. I said, I don't take on to bad person. You know, reach 2 weeks. The husband showed for my house with the same family problem. Okay, I beg you need to intervene. You know, say they trust you for your advice. My brother, anytime I come back work, I can't cloth. Somebody they go draw money for my wallet. If I leave my wallet, somebody they go draw money. I can't accuse my wife because we share the bedroom. And I can't begin to accuse my children. And I can't complain. This thing is becoming too much. I thought I said, my brother, this is a family problem. But if you insist that you need solution, leave used condom wrapper inside your wallet, you will catch the person. 1 week later, him and his wife don't get major problem. They say that it's here their marriage. Not my fault. Because women are like that. When they don't call you panel like that, be careful. When they call you witness for your own house, avoid the case. And they give advice to someone, but I know they pay attention. I saw one guy, they call a witness for your own house. Hey! Not very well. People must die according to age. All these people when they rule and they calculate for them, time for which they must work out with us. I don't travel around the world, my brother, there's nowhere to go to. The American visa where you won't collect. Now they shoot people for mosque, they shoot for church, they shoot inside synagogue. You go shopping mall, you don't know where they want to shoot. You go airport, you don't know where they want to shoot. Make a good day here when we know who will shoot us. And I hold the formula. Hey, back, clear. We are here for stop and search. You raise 2 hands, you raise 2 legs. If they want search from now to heaven, they search. Anything they don't see, they leave you. If you go Yankee, those ones know they do pack. We are here for stop and search. They don't license them to carry all manner of gun, AK-47 anytime. They go just interview on and they drink, they begin shoot. When they arrest and they go say nowhere. I know that that's the only place where if you say you know when you can keep people. But if you when you keep people, you will get problem. Talk. Me and some friends. I know they need to quarrel with anybody this year. If you won't vote anybody, vote for them. We will suffer them together. That time I tell my friend, I say, guy, no go there. I say, okay, leave this thing. We want change. That is the first casualty of change. You know, the people they call the second for work, they downsize company. Because they borrow money from my hand, and so but don't find where you keep your change. When I leave here, so this time I don't legislate anybody, they give away like better. We will rub them together. I can't come and try everybody. Anyway, I came here to let you guys know that this young man who is having this event today, my very good friend, Capella, by Mike and I. Please, round of applause for Akapi. He's arguably one of the best comedians in Nigeria today. And I did promise that no matter where I be, I must return to the peace for this thing winning the people. Despite how country red, he was able to pull off this thing. A lot don't go inside. He's a single man, he's available. So all the girls with here with this single and such. Once he come out here, forget his performance. See his potential as a husband. Pay him a visit. But pay him a visit when goes clear. Because this red country where they now, No be the country where man go carry you, come show, buy tables, sit down, spend money on a rich house. When you go cooperate with the brother, you begin to tell and say you dey cook stew. Women on need to stop that behavior. Now those kind of behavior, now they need to wash it and set it. Who carry you come if you know you're in one kind of way, don't come outside. Stay house. For a woman to take decision. If a woman decides I'm going to go out and I'm going to come back, nothing will happen. That's it. They won't do anything. That is why you see 2 girls that go on vacation, carry their bags, stay 1 week on vacation, visit places, go in, watch film, come back. No way. 2 guys don't go on vacation, they don't go find where they go carry. From the nature of our brain, the brain are 2, 1 here. This one goes school, this one is not educated, and they don't work at the same time. Once this one is active, this one is sleeping. As soon as this brain wakes up, this one has to go to sleep. That is how your brain, sisters, understand it. That is why you will see an educated man will go burial. He understands the nature, the solemn nature of the event. He's focused, he's sympathizing and mourning with the family. Because this is the brain that is working. As soon as one fine girl make mistake they where they cry, open leg, this brain wake up. Once he wake up, this one is going to sleep whether I like him or not. Because at this brain will tell him, bros look left. Bros look left. Bros go look left, see where they tell and say, behave yourself, this is a burial. This one will say, waiting concern you, now you kill him. You go pull out handkerchief, wipe your tears. This is my card. I walk into so whatever the problem is, put it on my bill. Okay? I'm staying at the hotel next door. After this event, just bring the family problem to me. I will solve it. And this brain, like they control you.